Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Japanese Mocha Soufflé cheesecake. This cheesecake is not only creamy, but also has the moist and cotton-soft texture of soufflé. This cheesecake should be kept in fridge, but I prefer to microwave a slice for 10 seconds to enjoy the fluffiest texture. The aromatic bittersweet flavor of chocolate and coffee is also one of my favorites. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Preheat oven to 295 Fahrenheit. Separate eggs first. Keep the egg whites in fridge. Measure dark chocolate wafers. Measure sugar, whipping cream, unsalted butter. Measure cake flour, cocoa powder, then mix together. This is the brand of cream cheese I prefer to use. Cut into smaller pieces so it's easier to melt. Melt instant coffee in hot water. Line a 6-inch round baking pan with parchment paper. Melt cream cheese, chocolate, and butter in a double boiler. Add coffee liquid and whipping cream. Whisk into a smooth mixture. Remove from heat. Add egg yolks. Mix well. Sift in cake flour mixture, then whisk to incorporate. Until the mixture becomes smooth without crumbs. Beat egg white at high speed until foamy, then add cream of tartar. Add 1/3 sugar and continue to beat at high speed. Add another 1/3 of sugar. Continue to beat until the egg whites become a bit thick, then add the rest of sugar. Change to medium speed now. Continue to beat until egg whites reach soft peaks. The egg whites will form a long and curvy hook at the tip when you lift the beater. See, the texture is quite soft. Add 1/3 of egg whites into the mixture. Whisk gently to fold to incorporate. Pour the mixture back into the rest of egg whites. Whisk gently to fold to incorporate. Pour the mixture back to the original bowl. Using a spatula, gently fold from the bottom, then cut in the center to incorporate. Pour the mixture into the baking pan. Tap pan on counter to remove air bubbles. Smooth the top using the spatula or a toothpick. Place the baking pan into a bigger pan, then pour in about 1 inch of warm water. Bake the cake in water bath at 265 Fahrenheit for 65 minutes. Then open the oven door for 5 seconds and bake at 300 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Remove cake from oven and let it cool down. Cover the cake with a piece of parchment paper, then flip it over. Flip it over again. Refrigerate the cake for a few hours. cut out a slice. The texture is already smooth and creamy. I like to microwave it for a few seconds, then enjoy this bittersweet, fluffy, and cotton soft soufflé cheesecake. Super yummy. Try to make one for yourself today.